Good morning, all of you. Carboxylic acid preparation and properties of acetyl chloride we are going to discuss. Preparation of acetyl chloride by reaction with PCl5 is our first reaction. Acetic acid first undergo reaction with PCl5. CH3 C double bond OH when treated with PCl5 undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction. 1H plus and Cl minus removed as HCl. This oxygen PCl3 removed as POCl3. 1 chlorine is added to carbonyl carbon gives CH3 C double bond OCl plus POCl3 and loss of HCl. This is your acetyl chloride. IUPAC name, I think you know. Acetyl chloride 2 carbon eth ane oil chloride, ethanoyl chloride. One more method of preparation. It is also prepared from phosphorus trichloride and SOCl2. Acetic acid CH3 C double bond OH, one molecule of acetic acid. Another molecule of acetic acid CH3 C double bond OH. Third molecule of acetic acid CH3 C double bond OH undergo reaction with phosphorus trichloride PCl3. H3PO3 phosphorus acid is removed. Each chlorine is added to carbonyl carbon gives 3 molecules of CH3 C double bond OCl acetyl chloride plus loss of phosphorus acid or orthophosphorus acid H3PO3. Then very most important method CH3 C double bond OH ethanoic acid acetic acid when treated with thionyl chloride SOCl2. 1 hydrogen and 1 chlorine is removed as HCl. This oxygen and SO removed as SO2. This chlorine is directly attached to the carbonyl carbon gives CH3 C double bond OCl acetyl chloride plus liberation of SO2 and loss of HCl. Among the three methods, the thionyl chloride method is superior to other method because the byproduct formed are gaseous byproduct. Sulfur dioxide and HCl being gases, they escape leaving the acid chloride in pure state. Therefore, this method is superior method, very most important. And chemical properties we are going to discuss. Chemical properties of acetyl chloride, one easy method I am going to tell is that acetyl chloride CH3 C double bond OCl undergo ionization gives acetyl plus and Cl minus. In all of its chemical properties, this chlorine is removed as HCl. This Cl is removed as Cl minus from acetyl chloride. From the incoming another reagent H plus Cl minus is removed as HCl. In all of its properties, HCl is one of the byproduct. And first reaction is hydrolysis. In presence of mineral acid, acetyl chloride CH3 C double bond OCl undergo hydrolysis H plus OH minus in presence of the mineral acid H plus. What happens, you know? The H plus and this Cl minus removed as HCl. OH minus is added to carbonyl carbon, gives acetic acid CH3 C double bond OH. The byproduct is HCl. In all the reaction, the byproduct is HCl. 2 carbon eth single bond N oic acid ethanoic acid. Hydrolysis. Second reaction is alcoholysis. Reaction with alcohol. Acetyl chloride CH3 C double bond OCl undergo reaction with ethyl alcohol C2H5OH. 1H plus from ethyl alcohol Cl minus removed as HCl. Ethoxy minus is added to carbonyl carbon, gives CH3 C double bond O C2H5 plus loss of HCl. This is your ethyl plus acetate minus an ester is obtained. Ethyl acetate is the common name with fruity odor, or ethyl 2 carbon eth carbon carbon single bond N O8 ethanoate. Ethyl ethanoate. Next reaction, ammonolysis. Addition of ammonia, acetyl chloride CH3C double bond OCl when added with NH3 ammonia. H plus Cl minus removed as HCl, and this minus is added to carbonyl carbon plus gives CH3 C double bond O NH2 plus loss of HCl. This is your acetamide, an acid amide, and 2 carbon eth single bond N amide ethanamide. Reaction with primary and secondary amine. First we will discuss with reaction primary amine. Acetyl chloride CH3 C double bond OCl, methylamine NH2 CH3, an example of primary amine. Methanamine. 1H plus from primary amine Cl minus removed as HCl as usual. The minus is added to this carbonyl carbon plus gives CH3 C double bond O NH CH3 plus loss of HCl. CH3 C double bond O NH2 is called acetamide. One methyl is attached to nitrogen. So the parent compound is acetamide, ethanamide. N-methyl acetamide. Secondary amine name starting with N. N-methyl acetamide. Reaction with secondary amine acetyl chloride CH3 C double bond O Cl when treated with secondary amine, 2 hydrogen atoms of ammonia are replaced by 2 alkyl group. So this is common name dimethylamine, IUPAC name N-methyl methanamine, methanamine gives, as usual you know what happens. 1H plus Cl minus removed as HCl. This minus is added to carbonyl carbon, gives the product CH3 C double bond O N. here one CH3, here one CH3, plus loss of as usual HCl. CH3C double bond O NH2 is acetamide. The parent compound is acetamide. To the nitrogen 2-methyl attached, therefore texaramine name end with N, N, dimethyl acetamide. N, N, dimethyl acetamide. Reduction of acetyl chloride, also called Rosenmund reduction. Acetyl chloride CH3, C double bond OCl, when reduced in the presence of palladium coated with barium sulfate. Palladium is a powerful reducing agent. It reduces acetyl chloride into aldehyde, aldehyde into primary alcohol. To avoid this, to decrease the catalytic activity of the palladium catalyst, barium sulfate is coated on palladium catalyst. Addition of hydrogen is called reduction. One H plus and Cl minus removed as HCl. This minus is added to carbonyl carbon, gives acetaldehyde CH3, C double bond OH plus loss of HCl. 2 carbon eth, carbon carbon single bond N, aldehyde 7 ethanol. The same acetyl chloride when reduced in presence of another reducing agent CH3, C double bond OCl, when reduced with lithium aluminum hydride. H plus Cl minus removed as HCl. This H minus first added to carbonyl carbon gives CH3, C double bond OH acetaldehyde. Again, when reduced with lithium aluminum hydride, addition of hydrogen, H becomes plus and H becomes minus. Oxygen is more electronegative, it pulls the shared pair of electron towards itself. Now plus is added to minus, minus is added to plus gives primary alcohol. CH3, C, H2OH, nothing but CH3, CH2OH. Acetyl chloride first on reduction gives a 2 carbon eth single bond N aldehyde 7, and further on reduction gives a primary alcohol 2 carbon eth single bond N OH all ethanol. So in this video we discussed the preparation and properties of acetyl chloride. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.
Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I am going to make a new video, so please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakara. Yes. Okay, thank you.